Computer is an electronic device that operates, works, under the control of programs stored in its own memory unit. A computer is an electronic machine that processes raw data to give information as output. An electronic device that accepts data as input and transforms it under the influence of a set of special instructions called programs to produce the desired output, referred to as information. A computer is described as an electronic device because it is made up of electronic components and uses electric energy, such as electricity, to operate. A computer has an internal memory, which stores data and instructions temporarily awaiting processing, and even holds the intermediate result, information, before it is communicated to the recipients through the output devices. It works on the data using the instructions issued, means that the computer cannot do any useful job on its own. It can only work as per the set of instructions issued. A computer will accept data in one form and produce it in another form. The data is normally held within the computer as it is being processed. A computer program is a set of related instructions written in the language of the computer and is used to make the computer perform a specific task, or to direct the computer on what to do. A set of related instructions which specify how the data is to be processed. A set of instructions used to guide a computer through a process. Data is a collection of raw facts, figures or instructions that do not have much meaning to the user. Data may be in form of numbers, alphabets/letters or symbols, and can be processed to produce information. A report conducted by the IT Opportunities in Education Market showed that teachers in elementary schools noticed their students' learning process is significantly richer today, because they integrated technology-based projects in their curriculum. Technology is an important element in grade school curriculum since it helps create a learning environment in which students are more confident and productive as they engage in projects that empower them to take ownership of their education. Expression. In today's elementary classroom, technology aids expression. Students learn to make visual presentations, design websites for science projects and write book reviews as bloggers. Daily computer use is essential as it helps young learners understand various software tools. Although the software will change before they enter high school, they will have a basic understanding of how various classes of computer tools work. Information. Technology is an information vehicle that challenges elementary students intellectually by giving them immediate access to information online, such as video of Martin L. King's I Have a Dream speech and documents that can be downloaded from the Library of Congress. Technology helps enhance students' worldview as young learners can communicate with students around the world through webcams. Technology gives new meaning to research and helps students gain worldly perspectives that are not always captured in textbooks. Cultivate skills. Technology can help grade school students cultivate skills that they can carry with them through college and as adults in the working world. Research on the internet fosters students' analysis and problem-solving skills as they work individually and in teams to gather information and come to conclusions. Computer programming class can help develop critical thinking skills as students learn how to place tasks into a logical sequence, and technical skills are developed through students using various software tools. Builds confidence. Mixing technology in the classroom supports learning and builds students' confidence. When students are taught through slideshows or by showing films, the lessons are stimulating. When they access new information online, they feel motivated, and when they learn new software tools, they are empowered. Incorporating technology in the curriculum gives students a sense of purpose and their attitude toward their education becomes positive.
Computers have revolutionized the teaching profession in multiple ways. Teachers use computers to record grades, calculate averages, manage attendance and access data on student performance in online programs and assessments. Computers have also made it easier for teachers to vary their instructional delivery. Instead of lecturing at the front of the room for an entire class period, teachers can incorporate technology into their lessons to keep students engaged while appealing to a variety of learning styles. From using computers to create presentations on a topic to showing video clips that complement the lesson at hand, technology helps teachers make the content easier for students to understand.